Smartphones with flexible touch displays look like gadgets plucked from the future. Some fold out to give you an even bigger screen, while others fold in to help you pocket the device wherever you go. So in this video, we will discuss top 5 best foldable phones in 2023. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for discounted offers. Let's start. Number 5. Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. The company somehow managed to shave significant bulk off the Mix Fold 2, getting the thickness, or shall we say thinness, to 5.4 mm when unfolded and 11.2 mm when folded. The Mix Fold 2 has weight of just 262 grams, making it the lightest and thinnest large inner foldable on the market. The Mix Fold 2 is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 with 12 GB of RAM. The large folding display is an 8-inch LTPO 2.0 OLED panel, with the outside smaller screen coming in at 6.5 inches. Unlike Samsung's foldables, the Mix Fold 2's outer display is in a more conventional, in a 20:9 aspect ratio, which, when paired with the 11.2 mm thickness, makes for an in-hand feel that's very similar to a normal phone. For optics, the Mix Fold 2 features a triple camera system headlined by a 50 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and an 8 megapixels 2x telephoto zoom lens. Number 4. Vivo X Fold. This device has a large 8-inch folding display, which exhibits much fainter crease. The great improvement is the device folds entirely flat without a gap. The Vivo X Fold offers an in-display fingerprint. And finally, it also packs a periscope zoom lens that can do 5x optical zoom. The company optics use new and larger sensors, and they're covered by Zeiss T coating, which reduces lens flare in shots. Also, the phone runs on a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 with 12 GB of RAM and has a fox leather back that stands out from the crowd. The Vivo X Fold has weight of 311 grams. The unfolded display of the Vivo X Fold is 8 inches. It has an AMOLED panel, 1916 by 2160 pixels resolution, and 120 Hz refresh rate. When folded, the phone has a 6.53-inch display, the same AMOLED panel, the same 120 Hz refresh rate, and 1080 by 2520 pixels display resolution. The back of the phone is leather and feels very comfortable to hold. The design of this phone is beautiful, the display is very colorful, and the build material is durable. The CPU also has 4 efficiency cores to help cool down the temperature of the chipset when under heavy use. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 made it to the market alongside the Fold 4. It is a more affordable foldable smartphone with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, along with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The outer display of the smartphone has a 1.9 inches Super AMOLED panel, paired with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage in the base variant. The device is also based on the Android 12 operating system. When it comes to the camera, we get to see a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 12 megapixels primary shooter and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle shooter. For the sake of video calls and selfies, the smartphone rocks a 10 megapixels primary sensor. The device also supports 25 watts fast charging support and 15 watts wireless charging support. The smartphone ships in 4 different colors, including Bora Purple, Graphite, Pink Gold, and Blue. Number 2. Oppo Find N2. Oppo is expected to launch the successor to the Find N series very soon. The brand will launch Find N2 and Find N2 Flip. The Find N2 Flip resembles Galaxy Z Flip 4 in design and will be the first folding phone from Oppo in 2023 that will have a global launch. It features a clamshell flip folding design and has a vertically oriented display to the front, which can be accessed when folded. It is expected to come in two colors, black and purple. In terms of specs, the Find N2 Flip is said to be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. The vertical display gets two primary cameras to its side, having a 50 megapixels primary and 8 megapixels ultra-wide unit. The external display will be 3.26 inches in size with a 60 Hz refresh rate. The inside display will be a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. There will be a 32 megapixels selfie lens. The Foldable will also have an IPX4 rating and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This specimen is of great interest to most of us, since it's what most people imagined. We had used a foldable phone for screen real estate, and real estate it does well. The phone was just unveiled, and it keeps the thick and heavy feel of its predecessor that was deprecated, but it is supposed to be more durable and functional. The Z Fold 4 follows a book design, meaning that the display folds in and is protected from the outside where you find another screen. It is rather useful and now with wider, more easy-to-use aspect ratio than before. That's perfect if you don't really want to unfold this big boy. And on the topic of unfolding, this particular model sports Samsung's new hinge and display layering design that makes it tougher than its predecessors. There are of course more reasons to like this phone, from its flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 to 120 Hz displays and a multiple camera system capable of 4K video recording. However, there are the unique features no other foldable phone has: an S Pen stylus support and a hidden selfie camera. It makes the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 truly stand out as the best foldable phone. There are of course more reasons to like this phone, from its flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 to 120 Hz displays and a multiple camera system capable of 4K video recording. However, there are the unique features no other foldable phone has: an S Pen stylus support and a hidden selfie camera. It makes the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 truly stand out as the best foldable phone. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.